Hey y'all, it's your friend Todd from Lowbrow Customs. How you guys doing today? Hey, you know what we're here for today? We're gonna give away the Lowbrow Customs Golden Ticket for this month. We gave away one in January, we gave away one at Mama Tried, and now we're gonna give away another one today. And you know what you're gonna get with this Golden Ticket? You're gonna get $1,000 to spend at Lowbrow Customs. Woo! That's gonna be great. We're gonna pick out an order here. Let's pick one out. Oh, there's the order right there. Look at her. Hey, Dove. Hey, Mr. Dove. I want you to put the Golden Ticket with this order right here. Oh, wait. Well, let's make sure the customer gets everything he ordered, even though he's going to be able to order some more stuff after he gets his Golden Ticket. Whoever ordered that, congratulations. You're the winner. Let us know. And woo! Woo!
Wow. $1,000. Still not chocolate. Whoa. These aren't real peanuts. It's not fruit roll-up.